you're experiencing issues with Valorant getting stuck on the calibration update, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart your computer. Shut down your computer completely and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary files and processes that may be causing the update to hang. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other websites or applications to confirm connectivity. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that might be interfering with the update process. Step 4. Disable antivirus/firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, as they may be blocking the update. Remember to re-enable them after the update is complete for your security. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the previous steps done to work, uninstall Valorant completely and then download and install the latest version from the official website. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the calibration update issue in Valorant. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.